Morning all. Today is going to be digging out a footing, 100mm strip trench for me stone steps, 300mm wide. I was going to do it with a digger bucket, but access is a bit tight, so it's only 2 meters long and less than a meter wide, so I'm going to dig that by hand, which pains me, but I'll set it going and you can watch and laugh at me cursing and swearing and what have you, so see you in a bit. That's my footings for the wall, bar the opening, but I'm going to carry them on anyway because I don't know exactly where the opening is going to go. And then see where it lands. I'm tired. I've only been doing it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long it's taken, and I'm tired already. That's why I love a digger. But I'll get the mixer going. Run up what's that going to be, 2 or 3 mixes of concrete, probably 10 mixes over there. There's a lot more there, but cross the bridge when I get to it. See you in a bit. Oops. I've just been setting out and marking out, and I thought I'd spin you around and talk you through my logic. The pitch of the steps is defined. I don't know if you can see up there, but I've marked a line on the wall, pencil line on the wall, and I know the height of each step there is 200. So I've got the nose of each step position. I don't know if you can see these, but I've marked them on the wall. The top landing step, which I've got over in the Dutch barn, is 1.25 metres wide, and that determines the width of the very top step, or the length of the very top step. So I transpose that down the wall there, and I've now marked that is the position of the outside of the stone wall. This is the position of the outside of the front, which ties in with that step. So that top step defined that position, and the angle of the steps up, back down, defined this position here, and where the two cross is the corner point. I'm going to have, because it's going to have a little dog kennel thing built in underneath, I'm going to have a doorway here and a bit of a return inside out of the wind. So that's the plan. So yeah, my doorway is going to be sort of here somewhere. I think I'm going to do it 500 wide. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it 500 wide. So a little bit narrower than the doorway of the root store, but it's for a dog, and I haven't got a dog. And if my dog that I ever get, I'm not a dog person, but if I ever do get a dog, I'm going to have to make sure he's got shoulders narrower than 500 mil, because if he is, he's not welcome here. So no, that's sort of my logic here. So I'll spin you around again and you can kind of see where I'm up to. I'm going to build a stone footing all the way there, ignoring the door, then backfill, move this gravel into, backfill it there, and then concrete a pad, and that's going to be the sort of subfloor finish. And I'm probably going to put a brick floor in there, I think, but I'm not sure yet. Not 100% sure. I've got quarry tiles, buff quarry tiles, and I've got bricks, but I don't want a brick finish. It'd be a lot easier if I could do brick walls here because of the uniform thickness, but I'm going to have a go with stone because there's more stone here than there is brick. There are the odd bit of brick, but I prefer working with stone. See how it goes. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll set you on time lapse or video the building of the stone footings, but you've probably seen tons and tons and tons of stonework, especially me doing stonework, so if nobody watches it, that's fine. But I'm videoing it as much for me as anyone else, but I'm putting it onto YouTube for everyone else. So again, let me know if you do watch this, let me know where you're watching from, because I quite like it. Thanks, see you in a bit.